Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to save location for unplugged messages. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. So you can simply open the home screen just by using this home button on the left side of the screen. And now you need to find the gear icon. The gear icon will open the settings. So the gear icon is located right here at the top of the screen. If you tap the gear icon, you've got access to the whole list of settings. If you swipe here to the left, you will find the Nissan Connect service right here. Let's just tap it. And here you can open the charging messages, the first option. If you find the charging messages and you will open it, you will get access to the following information, to the following preferences that you can set up. And one of them is save location for unplugged messages. Let's just tap it. So this allows you to designate specific places like your home or office where the car expects to be charged. How it works: if you park in one of these locations and forgot to plug in the cable, the car will recognize that you missed a step and send a notification to your smartphone app, so it's quite useful. Let's tap add new in my case, and let me, for example, choose destination by Google, and let me enter some address. Let's say that it will be my home address. So for example here, okay, let's assume that this is my address. Let me tap OK and save as address book entry. So let's wait and now tap OK here. That's it. So you just save this location. So now you will have the message that you forgot to plug your car if you are on this place. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.